Morning. First coffee from Mr. Fox. Please excuse my face. I've just got up and stuck a load of Dermalogic on it, so I'm really shiny this morning. And you can probably hear the dishwasher as well. Great intro. Stick the dishwasher on before you film the intro. So the plan today was to go for a walk, but I have woken up absolutely crippled. So I think what we're going to do, we're just going to spend the day eating, aren't we? Just going to make a disgustingly dirty breakfast. Probably do some baking. What have we got for tonight? Steak. We've got steak for tonight.
Steak, garlic mushrooms.
Steak, garlic mushrooms, potatoes. Yes. So yeah, we're going to go make breakfast now. Because I'm hungry. Bye.
But I have to stay afloat. It's nicer. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody...
That was a good breakfast. Everything we had was from the farm shop, apart from the spam. That was out of a tin. Danny had bacon, egg and black pudding, and I had spam and egg. So good. We've got the balcony doors open and Danny is currently sunbathing on the floor.
Hey, don't tell people that. It's only because I'm vitamin D deficient.
So far the plan for a cozy day is feeling a bit more summery than I had planned. The sun is absolutely beaming through the balcony doors.
It's hot.
It is warm.
It's hot.
It's not hot. It's not hot at all. Once it gets a bit darker and the house smells like baking, I think it'll start to feel a bit more cozy. And I'm going to do something with our coffee table as well. I'm going to clear it out and put all my nice new autumny decorations all over it and light some candles later, and I think it'll be really nice and cozy. We're just going to chill for a bit, I think, let our food go down, probably exterminate all the flies that have flown in through the balcony doors, and then do some baking. See you in a bit.
Say me other thing going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live behind me. Just live behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live behind me.
Okay, so we've decided to make Yorkshire Parkin, which is basically a ginger and oats based cake. Got about 4 different bags of oats, so I tend to sort that out today. And then you will need ground ginger. However, we don't have any of that, so I'm going to try improvise and use stem ginger. It might turn out nicer. It might ruin it. We don't know yet. Golden syrup, brown sugar, dark brown sugar if you've got it, black treacle, butter, unsalted preferably, but the farm shop didn't have unsalted, so salted it is. Eggs, a tiny bit of milk, and some baking powder. I'll pop the recipe in the description box, but essentially all you do is you melt the sugars and molasses and the butter in a pan and you leave that to cool. Then you mix your dry ingredients, pour your cooled sugar mixture in. Then you just add your milk, slowly beating your eggs, pop it in a tin, and then shove it in the oven. Let's do this.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up. But I have to stay afloat. It's nicer. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Is this called living?
Okay, so the Parkin's in the oven, and I thought I'd show you quickly what we're eating for dinner tonight. That is just because I'm not ready to give up my summer drinks yet. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you might want to look away now because we're having steak. There is literally half a cow on the tabletop. So I'm having ribeye and Danny is having half a cow. That is literally a whole rump steak. Probably not going to eat it all tonight because it's huge. He probably could.
Yeah.
So might cut that in half. It's like 4 times the size of mine. Moving swiftly on. With that, we're going to have spicy paprika potatoes, so they just go in the oven as they are. And check this out. Yes. Creamy garlic mushrooms. Cannot wait for all of that. Mmm.
I don't wanna grow the things I left, look behind me. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow the things I left, look behind me. Just live myself. Look behind me. Just live myself. Just live myself. Look behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live my.
So that's it. We've eaten dinner. Dinner was really nice. I'd say I'm really full, but I think I'm going to destroy half of this. We've got all the blankets, all the candles, and we're just going to watch Endgame, I think, and then probably go to bed because it is Sunday night and we have work in the morning. But that is it for our cozy weekend. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed coming shopping with us yesterday. Please subscribe if you haven't already and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.